there, it's your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks for campaign 25 of 2024. This campaign is going to be your last chance to order before Christmas. If you are having orders shipped directly to you, Christmas delivery cutoffs start on December 13th, depending on how close you are to our warehouse in Ohio. So the closer you are to Ohio, the farther into the week you can go. But anyway, Christmas delivery cutoffs start at December 13th. We do have expedited shipping options up through like the 19th or 20th if you want to go that route, but of course that costs a bit more. So I encourage shopping early. I also encourage shopping early because of everything that we have in our holiday, our gift sets, our decor, holiday themed jewelry, all of that is limited edition. So once it's gone, it's gone. So definitely recommend shopping early for that. So we do still, of course, we've featured our holiday decor. I'm sorry, I'm having trouble with the book because I have a Band-Aid on my fingers. So if I look really clumsy today, that's why. We do still have some of our holiday decor, including our dated pewter ornament that everyone loves to collect, and some of our light up musical Christmas village stuff. We still have, PJs and slippers. Like our family, we like to do new PJs each year for Christmas, so we always make sure to get those early, and then still some of the pretty holiday jewelry. Few other things I wanted to highlight in this brochure. Of course, we do have two free gift with purchase offers available, but I also want to encourage you to go to thoughtsonbeauty.com and click on coupon codes, because we have Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales that are running for, like Black Friday is running for 10 days, is already going on as of when I record this, which is probably a few days before you see it, running through November 30th. And then we have a week of Cyber Monday sales starting on the 1st. So be sure to visit the coupon code page on thoughtsonbeauty.com so you can see whatever the current offers are. There also sometimes are usually once a week, but we won't have one the week of Thanksgiving. We have a live shopping event that also has coupon codes with free gifts with a certain size purchase. So there's a lot of opportunity for sometimes free shipping. Well, free shipping always over $60, but for Black Friday, we have some days where you can get free shipping on a $25 order if you just need a little something, maybe some stocking stuffers. But definitely check that page before placing an order, because that's going to have whatever current coupon codes are available. And then in addition to what you can get with your coupon codes, you can also get a free, this is the Esonox Anew Clinical Revitalize and Reveal Resurfacing Expert Smoothing Fluid, which I know is a mouthful, but it definitely is a great treatment to add into your skincare routine for smoothing your skin. So you can get that free with a $50 skincare purchase. And while you can only use one coupon code per order when you're ordering for direct delivery, the free gifts that you get with purchase from the brochure, those are automatic, and those are in addition to whatever you're getting with the coupon codes. And then for a $50 makeup purchase this campaign, you get our Glimmer eyeshadow quad and the shade palette Vixen. And I know if you're thinking, okay, blue, why are they doing blue? Trust me, try some blue eyeshadow. You really might like it. And I think maybe I'll do a little demo of some of the things you can do with blue. It doesn't necessarily have to be the bright, vivid, all over blue, but these can be great accents to go with other colors, and a great way to help kind of brighten up the eyes, because the whites of our eyes against the blue in the eyeshadow helps our eyes look whiter. Like it brightens up that look of the eyes. So I might have to, that's a good idea. I might have to do a little demo on that to show some of the cool things you can do with the blue. Let's see, what else did we have in here this time? I did want to point out, I think I've mentioned occasionally, but we do have, if you're looking for some really cool stocking stuffers, we do have select products from the Creme shop. In fact, my lip color today is one of theirs, is one of the glossy 12-hour lip stain. I'm wearing the shade Honeymoon. So that's one of those. And they're cute, fun stuff. So they're fun for stocking stuffers because they're not just a plain lipstick or a plain whatever. They have just some fun to them, like the face masks that look like corgis. Those are adorable. And so we have also some Disney and Hello Kitty tie-ins with the Creme shop as well. So just some great little last minute gift or stocking stuffer items that you might pick there. We do have a couple of new products. I have one of them here. So we have our Moisture Therapy Intensive Healing and Repair. This is a classic. We've had this collection forever. The new additions are the All Over Rescue Balm. So we have the All Over Rescue Balm in like a cream in the tube, like that you can squeeze out like a body lotion or hand cream. But we also have a mess-free version with the balm stick. So this one is a convenient mess-free glide-on stick, and then the other one is like a moisturizing cream. They give 24-hour moisturization for extra dry skin. We've got avocado and shea butter, avocado oil and shea butter, and this just twists up kind of like, lipstick or deodorant. You can use it on body, face, and even lips. So it's a great, moisturizer for all of those really super dry areas that you might have. And it really, really feels nice. It's the first time I've used it. And I probably put too much on the back of my hand, as I usually do when I demo products on the back of my hand. I put way more on the back of my hand, but even then it's still absorbed really nicely and does kind of feel like it's like got a protective layer on the skin without feeling like there's something heavy or sticky there. So nice option there with those. Nice way to get your moisture therapy. And I like the mess-free option, because if I hadn't like rubbed it in, I wouldn't have any on my fingertips. Like I could just rub it on and not have, get my trouble spot, rub a little bit in, and not have to stop and go wash my hands because I now have moisturizer on my fingertips. So I like that that option for it as well. And then last thing I had for this campaign, I like to let you know about a really good sale. We've got the Faraway Bali fragrance, which this fragrance was so popular. It was originally a limited edition fragrance, and it sold out so fast, like within 2 weeks, it was gone. And it was so popular, they had to bring it back as a regular part of our Faraway collection. So only $10.99. That's the lowest price you'll find most of our signature fragrances ever. So that's just during campaign 25. So be sure to pick that up while it's on sale. So hope y'all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.